Hi everyone, my name is Shreyade and I'm currently pursuing MBA from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies. Today I'll be talking about the Master Production Schedule or MPS, which is an important part of operations and supply chain management. First, let's quickly understand what OSCM is. Operations and supply chain management deals with designing, producing, and delivering product or services efficiently to customers. It ensures that businesses make the right products at the right time in the right quantities and deliver them to the right place. It's all about planning, managing resources, and meeting customer expectations efficiently and effectively. One very important tool used in OSCM is the Master Production Schedule or MPS. The MPS is basically a plan that answers three big questions: what to produce, how much to produce, and when it should be produced. You can think of it like a production calendar. It tells the production team exactly what needs to be manufactured and by when, based on customer demand and production capabilities. Now, how is MPS prepared? It uses several important inputs like customer orders, what customers have already ordered, forecasted demand, what we predict customers will want in the future, inventory levels, how much stock we already have, production capacity, how much we can produce with the available machines, materials, and labors. All these inputs are carefully analyzed to prepare a schedule that matches customer needs without overloading the production facility. So why is the master production schedule is so important? There are few major reasons. Firstly, it ensures that products are delivered to the customers on time, which keeps customers happy. Secondly, it helps companies manage their inventory effectively, meaning they don't produce too much or too little. Third, it helps in optimal use of resources like machines, materials, and labors, which saves cost and improves productivity. Without a good MPS, companies might face delays, stockouts, excess inventory, and even loss of customers. Let me give you a very simple example to understand this better. Imagine a company that manufactures bicycles. Based on customer orders and forecast, they find that they need to produce 200 bicycles in week 1, 250 bicycles in week 2, and 300 bicycles in week 3, and so on. The MPS will clearly state these numbers and timelines and guide the factory on when to start production, how many bicycles to make each week, and how to plan their materials and labor accordingly. This helps them avoid problems like running out of stock during peak demand or having extra stock sitting idle in the warehouse. In short, the master production schedule acts like a bridge between customer needs and factory operations. It keeps the production process organized, efficient, and customer focused. It is a key element of operation and supply chain management, and mastering it helps companies become more competitive and successful in today's fast moving markets. Thank you for listening.